What I'm creating here is a brotherhood or a cauldron that's really more about men being together as they hit these points in life where they really feel that calling for something with more depth, with more feeling, with more aliveness. Like they want to feel more alive in their own lives. And so to come together and do that with a peer group of really high caliber men is what I'm putting on. And when I say high caliber, I'm not talking about like everyone's a high net worth individual. I mean high caliber in that they have already been initiated by their own lives. They've hit the point where they're like, enough. This whole thing feels hollow. I've chased enough. And now they want to experience something deeper. And it's absolutely an inside job. But in my view, that happens in community, in brotherhood with other good men.